What's happening, Ace Pro 2? I do my format first thing, and I swipe down, swipe over to the left, and I hit the cog. As I start to scroll down, everything disappeared back to like the original screen. Did it again, try to get my phone out, didn't do it. I flipped the screen up, and you stayed upside down. But my hand did touch the back of the screen. I switched over to photo mode. What gives? Is the cold weather getting to you? Have I used my camera in cold weather? Yeah. Hey, I'm Fish. I'm on pure video mode. It's nighttime and it's gonna get lighter later. And I'm out here on the Cannondale Adventure 2. As we head down to the bay, we'll get to see what it looks like again. I watched the video, and the skin tones were awful. They were cartoonish, like we said with the GoPro years ago, and it just basically didn't look good to me at all. So I questioned, and we'll see what the person comes back and says. Now, I watch other videos, and they were excellent, but you choose to do the LUTs and things like that and the aspect ratio, and that's your style. I got no problem with that. But the camera should work out quite well with video and not look like, too much skin tone. It could kill the video for me. We're out ready to go fishing. All the boats are lit up. Set up to go. And my settings are 4K. My filter should be on Leica. Doing a good job. They're fast. So off we go. Get where we need to be at. Flying into the turn. Going on a tour. As we head on the bridge, still these lights are out. When the lights go out in the city, the geese are coming in. The moon, the star, the sunrise. Fish switching over to the regular video mode. Now you can't see anything. It's just amazing what your eyes can see. It's amazing what your eyes can see in the distance. Don't hold up the high five, Fish, because what happens is the camera shuts off. You see a nice, powerful moon, and it's 1/8. You see the star that's right next to it, and the geese and the ducks are gone. I'll tell you like it is, and that's the way it is. It is what it is, man. Let's get on going, get on biking, get on seeing. You need a morning shower? Beautiful house, but the lights are not on. A gorgeous house. We got lights in the distance, and I got the sunrise happening. The beach is all prepared for the winter.
You're welcome.
Thank you. All prepared for the winter. Got one more person to say you're welcome, and the reasons for that is this. You gotta laugh for the reasons up. Thanks can mean anything, and that's what you have here. Thanks. Thanks could be sarcasm. Thanks could be courteous. Thanks could be just saying, thank you for allowing me to pass safely. Thank you can mean I'm sorry for passing and I made a mistake. Well, you know, thanks. It's time for me to get on out of here. Thanks for the kickstand, fish. Thanks. I got 2 bike lights on, and they're on brightness, and beautiful sunrise and the moon. Yes, indeed. Well, you know, it is what it is, man. I had a good time today riding the bike. I'm out by the beach, and maybe I was going to get to the amusement park. Changed my mind. I came here instead. But I do got to go meet up with Joe, take care of some beeswax, and do some things, and get things going. That's the way it is in the life of the fish. Now, Mr. Limpet, you ever see that movie? Yeah, man, Mr. Limpet in the water. Oh, yeah, what a movie that is. That comes on the next time with Don Knox. I may just watch it again. Yeah, the old classics, man. They're the best. They don't know what a classic is. They're fast. And that's the way it is. And on that note, thanks. Watch the fishing boat go out. Going out for the morning glory to catch that first fish out in the sea. Have a great one. See you on the next one.